We are in the key of B, right? Let's learn to play piano in the key of B using the numbering system, and this is the method that I'm using to teach you to learn, every key on a piano. It makes it easier. I've tried it out. It makes it easier. If it works for you, you can use it, right? I'm using the numbering system 1 up to 7. So if this is your first time and you want to learn to play your piano in the key of B, this is good for you. And then maybe you're on your journey to learning to play in all the 12 keys. This is good. So we're in B. This is our key, the key of B. First, we're gonna look at the scale in the key of B, 1 up to 7, using the left hand, and then from there we'll look at how you play that using your right hand, and then we'll put them together, and then after then we'll demonstrate using one of the simplest song to play, to play these chords, right? Let's see your 1. Now let me slow that down. This is gonna be a 1, and it's gonna be a 2. It's gonna be a 3. It's gonna be a 4. It's gonna be a 5, 6, 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Da la 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 la. It's the same from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. The same thing, just that the octave changes, right? Okay, now let's see how you play that with your right hand. And we're gonna be using, obviously, so I'm gonna be using my 3 fingers. So this is gonna be your 1. That's gonna go along with this one here. But for now, since you've learned your 1 up to 7, using your left hand, just pressing 1 note at a time. Let's see now how you play that with your right hand. So 1, so 2, so 3, it's a 4, it's a 5, it's a 6, and this is your 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I tried to harmonize with this. Okay, now let's use both of our hands, right? Using our left hand as well. So 1, it's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4, it's a 5, it's a 6, and this is your 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's demonstrate how you play a song with this same chords that you just learned, right? Let's play what we call a song progression. Simple one. And I think my go-to simple song quoted is, an awesome God. I believe that, almost everyone, you probably know the song. So we're gonna start from 4. It's gonna, our God is an awesome, He reigns from heaven above with wings, wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. So you see, we're starting from 4, then we're going to 1, 5, 6,